Hi, my name is Mason, and this is my submission for the 2024 Congressional App Challenge called Falcons Esports Overlays Controller. Now, what is an overlay, you might be wondering? An overlay provides information about esports streams to the uninformed viewer or to someone catching it midway. Because if you're catching a match midway, you might not know what's happening, or if you're a parent, you might not know everything about your kid's game, and you're going to need some information like the score, who's winning, who's on what team, who they're even going up against. And that's what this project is meant to do. And it's meant to do it really simply. And there's literally 7 instructions to do this. And some of these are kind of repetitive instructions, really. It's very simple to set up and it's very universal. I've had this running on a Fire TV. The first generation Fire TVs in my living room worked out of the box as soon as I took my Android support for it and I just shoved it on there and it worked first try. It works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, like I said, iOS, everything. This app will work for it. All right. Which means it's great for supporting a bunch of teams. Now, red is probably not every school's color, and a falcon is probably not every single school's logo. So you can change your logo here. You can change your school's color to, say, you want a nice, I don't even know what that color is, blue, purple, maybe, I don't know, to a nice purple. I'm going to go back to red because I like red, school's color. You can change it to whatever you need to be. And what this project is written in the programming language called Dart with the Flutter library, which is sponsored by Google, to do the graphical portion of this. But Dart is a memory safe language, which makes it a lot harder to have vulnerabilities against it and much safer to run on computers rather than like other languages like C++ or C, which can have a lot of memory leaks in them, which are not good for programming. And I've been trying to spread this program to a bunch of other schools, reaching out like either by email, messaging directors, or the director of my school has actually been helping me by using some of his connections to read this out. I have the president of the MASSP interested in this. I'm working with Kettering's esports director right now to fine tune this project exactly to how they want it for their school outside of the normal customization this project offers. Uh, I'm also have multiple professors from universities interested in this, like professor at Grand Valley State University, for example. And yeah, this follows the FOSS ideology, which is free and open source software. So this project is entirely free, open source. So you can read all the code yourself. Every single line of it is completely public to the world to read. And yeah, that's basically the project. And here's just kind of some examples on screen of what it can do. Thanks for watching.